Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro available on Android devices? So, I already installed the application what Creative offer for the earbuds, and if we open it we can check supported devices. So we need to click add new device, and right here in this menu you need to click can't find device. Now our model is Zen Air Pro, so we need to locate this model right here if it actually available. Yeah, and right here I can see this model, so my short answer is yes, it's available on Android devices. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!